All right, people, how's everybody doing? Welcome to this live streaming. Today's Thursday, June the 25th. And yeah, we're gonna have a super live session today with Sid Hand. We're gonna use his signals. So welcome to this live streaming in the BLW online trading. Sorry, I've been I don't know. My throat's been killing me for a little bit. But how you doing, Mahesh Alpha One? I've been trying to renew my registration, but to not available. I don't know what you mean. Send an email to support. They're gonna help you. Waiting for a set hand session. Awesome. Let me know where you're saying hi from. Let me know what time is it over there where you are. Let me know how long you've been a fan from the BLW online trading, and we are ready to start. Can you have any idea about Euro USD pair? Idea for what? What strategy? Or I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you mean the call? A buy option? Wouldn't say it's a buy option. The white line is to, it seems like it's going to jump a little bit, but then it's going to continue dropping just like it did in here. I would need to do a slighter analysis, but hold on. I'm looking at the live chat right here. That's the reason why, because I got two. All right. Hi, Chris. I just want to know, is Crypto Bull App trusted? Yes, it is, but we're not going to talk about softwares in this video. Hi from South Africa. Asjad, how you doing? Mitchell, Sri Lanka, 7:30 p.m. Awesome. Almost 1 year. Maldives. Awesome. India, 7:30 p.m. 2017 fan. Awesome. Singapore. San Antonio, Texas, 9:01. Awesome. 1 hour ahead. Panama, how you doing? Andres, South Africa, 4 p.m. Brazil, 11 a.m. Philippines, I guess you mean 10 p.m. Noel. India, 7:30. Somalia, South Africa, Curacao. Awesome. 3 months, part of the BLW world. Awesome. So welcome to this live streaming. I'm going to explain you exactly how is this going to work today. But if you're joining in on this live streaming or you're watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. We are ready to start. And actually, Sid Hand already sent that he's monitoring the signals. So actually, that's fantastic. We're going to take a look at the signals in this area. Let me just go ahead and make my screen just a little bit smaller. And I'm going to have the notifications activated, though, so that we can get the signals from Sid Hand. But we're going to be looking at the live chat. If you're going to know exactly how is this going to work, it's pretty simple. But hey, if you didn't smash the like button, do so now. We got one hater. We have a few haters, actually. And I'm going to explain you exactly why in just a little bit. But the way this streaming is going to work is that we're going to follow signals from Sid Hand. We're going to follow them on Forex, the Forex signals. So I'm going to be focusing on using my IC Markets trading account. We're going to see how their signals actually are. And in fact, in this specific video, I'm going to show you how to put a pending order if in case the SR is not being touched by the signal that Sid Hand is going to send. We're going to actually just place a pending order and show you how to do that as well. We're going to trade with 5% of our balance pretty much, and we should be good to go. Yes, it's live stream in YouTube. And I'm glad that you guys are here. We have 60 people watching this streaming, and we're going to wait from some signals from Sid Hand. In case you guys are not familiar with what is it that you guys are looking at, is the BLW trading room. It's the signals group from the BLW world. You guys can go and check it out at blwtradingroom.com and get your access membership in there. One thing, and one of the biggest reasons actually, if you're not in my Facebook group, by the way, the link is in the description of this streaming. The Facebook group is 100% free and you can join, and basically over there we post updates, We try to keep you guys updated with a bunch of things such as testimonials, new offers, promotions, and so on. But yesterday I actually posted that there's someone who actually created a profile called Christian BLW on Facebook with my pictures, just like they do on Instagram, but now they did it on Facebook, unfortunately. So make sure you join the Facebook group, because over there I give you some warnings so that you can be on the safe side and avoid getting losses because of some stupid scammers out there pretending to be me. Same thing at Instagram. The link is also in the description. I'm actually going to put the Instagram username over here in the corner so that you can start following me in there. That's the only Instagram officially for BLW. The other one is BLW Online Trading, but that's the actual BLW Online Trading. But my personal Instagram is in the corner. You can check it out. And yeah, that's the reason why I have haters, because I actually have them banned from Instagram. I complained already about Facebook, but Facebook, I don't think they're going to do it. But yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. And that's the reason why they hate me. That's the reason of the dislikes. Zomelia, 2 years fan, Nigeria. What time you trade? I trade around 13 GMT. The latest I've traded is around 20 GMT, pretty much, not more than that. But right now we're gonna be trading like what? Oh, okay. There's a message on Instagram. I'm sorry, on Telegram. I got distracted. But yeah, there's an and this happens also. That's the reason why Telegram is going to disappear. Many people are actually getting into. They're paying their membership to be in the Signals group, and then what they do is that they start adding all of the members of the group to different what's it called? To different other Telegram groups, right? And they start selling the same signals that we offer and that we provide. They copy it and then they sell it, right? So they're crap. So if you're added to any from let me just go ahead and forward this message to one of my admins. So yeah, that's one of their, I don't know, strategies, if you want to call it a strategy. I don't know, but that's the reason why so many people actually are copying our signals, and they add you illegally to their Telegram groups and so on. So just if you see something like that, just report it. And yeah, no, you're not late. We're just starting out. Because I also have watching from Sri Lanka, awesome, law from India, South Africa, Suriname, Turkey, Nigeria, Somalia. You've been a member for a week. Awesome. I'm glad that you joined. A week ago, we were not 40,000 subscribers. The membership is $59.99 for 2 months. If you notice, right? Yeah, Sid Han already knows right now that he's in a streaming. I actually didn't tell him, not to make it nervous or anything, but I don't know. Mitchell says, I love the 2-minute strategy app. It's great when combined with the manual 2-minute strategies over 80%. I'm glad you liked it. Thapello says, was actually watching your video that you posted like 11 months ago. I actually looked how young you were. You're growing quickly. That's not a nice thing to say, but that's all right. How to make 0 to 60,000. Yeah, I actually was watching my old videos right now as well. I was looking at some trips that I had to Italy, to Cartagena, Colombia. I was in Rome. I was in Florence. So yeah, I was looking at all those old videos as well. I think I feel better now because back then I didn't used to work out. Now I work out, I healthy, bunch of things that I've changed in my life, and I feel way better than back then. But yeah, if you guys want to go and watch my old videos and laugh a little bit, then you're welcome to do so as well on my channel. How many of you have not liked this transmission? We're 76 people, and you're supposed to hit the like button in order to see the signals. Yeah, I look younger now. I don't know why. Sidhan is providing some indications in regards to the signals that he sent yesterday for Euro GBP. I made a lot of money actually with Sidhan signals. I started following on the 4th. I followed a few signals from Anupama, but mostly Sidhan. And so far this month, even though I placed like not that many trades, I mean, I haven't really traded every day. No, I haven't followed all of his signals. I've made $235. I don't think, let me see if you can see it through my camera. No, you can't. Let me just go ahead and move it so you can see it. This is my profit, $235 Australian dollars. I don't know why Australian dollars, but it's because it's IT markets. And my balance right now is jumped to $500. I started with $270 or something like that. So it's actually really, really cool. Philippines, $10 off in my email. Then take advantage of the $10 off. Yeah, that offer ends in June the 30th. 35 likes. Thank you very much, people, for the likes and for the support. I know you guys are fans of the BLW community. Yeah, take profit one from Euro GBP from yesterday, said Hanses. That's awesome. I didn't follow that signal. I was actually yesterday I had a meeting with my management team because we want to improve this group, the BLW trading room. And we came up they came up actually with some awesome ideas as to how to improve it. So I'm actually gonna start those changes today. And FYI as well, the BLW Trading Academy is now offline because, like I said, I'm renewing it, and it's gonna take a week or a little bit more for me to actually finish uploading all of. If you notice, right behind me is the whiteboard. And I've been recording the videos. It's going to be a complete different training with over 20 lessons and including 2 podcasts that you will be able to like just listen to many times as to change your mentality, help you make more money, and it's going to be amazing. So stay tuned for that. So that's the reason why I didn't trade yesterday. Hey man, I tried clicking your link for IQ option site but doesn't do anything except load and closes the tab. Make sure you tried it on a different browser or just type in iqoption.com. It doesn't really matter. I don't really care about the broker commissions anymore if you were trying to, but I do appreciate it though. It's blur. Which one is blur? Try to change your resolution for the streaming to 1080p. Okay, it's in 1080p. Yeah, I always give you guys advice on Instagram. Sometimes I do live streaming. In fact, we're planning to do some Q&A on streaming on Instagram. I don't know if we're gonna do it, but I don't want to reveal any information whatsoever. Thank you to the person that actually sent me the contact of this scammer group over here on Telegram. I don't know your name, Asher, I think. I don't know. I don't want to like say the whole username because I don't want to get you in trouble or anything, but I do appreciate your loyalty. Okay. What broker am I using? I'm using IC Markets. Chris, are you taking take profit 1 from all signals or take profit 2 and take profit 3 as well? I actually take between take profit 1 and 2. I'm going to show you how I do it once we have a signal. I will go a live trading using the signals from the 5-minute signals room. Not today, but I will have one session. Maybe next week on Tuesday. Maybe, I'm not sure. Because I had to cancel this streaming that I had on Tuesday because I had an exclusive. I actually had a very exclusive webinar for the BLW Signals Group members. Is there anyone over here who is member of the BLW Trading Room that can like express how was that webinar that we had on Tuesday? Maybe not like reveal the content, but I don't know, like saying if you liked it, if it was worth it. Maybe other people wants to know. I got the 2 months, but would like to get the 1 year. Do I wait until the 2 months are finished before I upgrade? You can upgrade now and you will be added for 1 year more additional to the 2 months. If not, we're going to give it to you manually. That doesn't really make a difference, but yeah. If I make $50 in binary by using the 2-minute strategy, then I promise to join your chat room. Awesome. You can make a lot more than that. I try to renew my subscription. Okay, same question. Not sure what is the error that you're getting, but you can go and talk to the live chat people right now. My last resolution, I actually watching myself in 1080p, so maybe there's something with your internet or something. Yes, was going to give, I'm sorry, I think I jumped a few questions. Hi, is there any news about your Skrill account? Did they fix the problem? No, they sent my money out, but they said that my account was blocked or whatever. I don't trust them. I don't trust the way they did all of that and just kept my money for a long time. And just after I blacklisted them on YouTube, they gave my money away. Hey, smash the like button. We're waiting for a few signals. I'm answering questions live right now in the live chat while we wait for signals from Sidhan. There's no rush. This streaming could be for 1, 2, or 3 hours. It doesn't matter. I just want to see signals and execute them. So there's no rush, but I'm answering live questions right here. So if you're joining this streaming, you have any question or I answer your question, make sure you smash the like button on this streaming. All right. It's 82 people watching right now. We're going to have some live trades right now as soon as we have an opportunity. Question. Hey man, do you know where I can find the site today? Accurate signals for free or at low price? Have been looking all over your channel for a video that covers that. It's because I have a group. It's one of the least expensive trusted groups in the world. Go to blwtradingroom.com where you're watching it right now. You see how people say sometimes you have the opportunity in front of you, you just can't see it. It's literally what happened to you just right now. blwtradingroom.com, the group that I recommend you. Okay, he's finding new Forex signals, so we just wait. That was the question for Purple Pandix. Now, next question. How often does signals, the Sidhan signals hit take profit to? Not sure. That's a good question, to be honest with you, but I haven't really done that math. I'm going to have to ask for my signal supervisor. Maybe she knows. Carry along. We're taking Forex signals or binary? Forex signals today. Forex signals today. IQ Options King says it's blur. Bro, we can't change to higher quality. Refresh it and look at the quality. You need to refresh it. Useful webinar. Awesome. I'm glad you liked it. Is IC market robot trading or manual trading? Manual trading. Good webinar. Awesome. Was very good. Awesome. Thank you for the feedback. Only 2 likes. What do you mean? Was super awesome. Hey Christian, how are you? I'm doing good. How to make $50, man? I'm losing money, but my hope is still not lost. Make sure you follow a trusted strategy like the 2-minute strategy, and you can make $50 out of the $10 deposit in a very, very little time. Which Bitcoin is trusted? I'm not sure what you mean. I'm sorry. You mean which crypto? I don't trust any of them. Bitcoin at the most. Chris, tell me, actually, forgot to ask the other day regarding the 5-minute app. Is it going to tell you when to enter the trade, or is it going to be like normal 5-minute strategy signal? It's going to tell you, it's going to give you the signal for one candle so that you can enter on the next one. So it's going to give you at least 3, 4, 5 minutes in advance so that you can enter the next candle. So it's not going to be immediately. It's going to be amazing. I actually was testing it yesterday. Yesterday I recorded a webinar for like 2 hours, and I noticed that there are even better opportunities to enter. So even if the actual application is like 75% in the money, you can get 90% in the money easily, or even 100. But yeah, we're still waiting for signals. Binbull Pro profitable, yeah. Thanks for answering my question, and I look forward to the live trading on the 5-minute signals room. Awesome. Is it safer to set support and resistance signals on a daily charts candles, or should I stick to the 4-hour chart candles? I would say at least 1-hour candles. I can't buy because my bank don't have MasterCard facility and PayPal does not operate in Pakistan. Sorry about that, but we too do take Visa cards. How the signal room is working? What is the thing behind it? Are YoSP? I don't know what YoSP is, but I guess the question is for everybody else that is in the group. If someone is in the BLW trading room, can you answer the question for Nali and say if it's worth it, if the group is going good? Which crypto wallet? You can use BitPay, you can use Coinbase. Okay, we're not going to answer questions in regards to softwares. We're manually trading today. Why is the history not working for me? What history? What do you mean? Is the app paid? What you mean, the new binary? Yes. If you buy 0.06 lot, would you close half 0.03 for take profit 1 and second half leg go for take profit 2? Is it right? It's actually easier because the admin will give you a stop loss and take profit SR. So you can just copy and paste it or choose that SR and just go from there. You don't really need to use the lot size to the take profit or stop loss. You only use the lot size for opening the trade. Which one is better, IC Market or SE for beginner, AU or SE? What do you mean? What's the other broker that is using MT4, MT5, which allows low deposit like IQ option does? I think it's XM. XM, if I'm not mistaken, it's like $20 for deposit. I'm not 100% sure, so you check it out, xm.com. I got to $35 from using $10 using the 2-minute strategy app, but got emotional and lost most of it, and now my balance is 17. I forgot about the number 1. Don't get emotional. It happens, no worries. As long as you learned, you're good to go. I had to make a new bank account then. Yeah, kind of. I had like 10 bank accounts. It happens. I did purchase your 2-minute strategy app. It really helped me out as suggested, following proper money management and increasing my account by 10-20% daily. Awesome, man. That's awesome. The signals history. What signal history? Where are you looking this at? I don't know where you are looking at, Philip. Can you be a little bit more specific? Like the trading history, where? Is the 2-minute strategy app paid? Yes, it is. $49.99. You can go and get it at 2minutestrategyapp.com. Chris, I'm using Oanda as my broker, but when 4 p.m. hits, the pips difference is 8 from real market price. Is that normal? Do I need to look? I would say look for another broker. I haven't really known anything in regards to Oanda. XM minimum deposit is $5. You can see that. Yeah, I remember that it was that low. I reached my monthly target with the BLW signals groups. Thanks, BLW. But today, again, decrease in 20% by trading myself. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. I made a video about the 5 reasons why you're failing. And I also made a video as to how to make more money with the BLW Signals group. So I'm glad that you learned. Don't do it again. In fact, yesterday, on Tuesday, when I had the webinar, I actually talked about that as well. Hi, Chris. When will your Forex software be released? So excited for that. How much it will be? I'm not sure how much it will be, and I kind of need to focus right now on the binary options app and then in the academy, because I need to have those rolling. And then I'm going to start working really hard on the app. The app is ready, but I need to create a website and so on. BLW Signals Group can see the last day of results. BLW Signals Group no longer offers signals. The domain changed to blwtradingroom.com. So you need to go to blwtradingroom.com. When setting your support and resistance for binary options in a 5-minute trade, is it better to make it so close to the current price or further? How do you do yours? You mean, I'm sorry, is it better to make it close to the current price? You find support and resistance regardless if it's close to your price or not. You find it. You don't force the support and resistance like, oh, the candle is really close, so probably the support is a little bit. No. You find it in 15 and 1 hour candlesticks, and those are support and resistance. You don't make it close. $5 won't allow you to trade in Forex with XM. I'm not sure with XM. Not sure, to be honest with you. I haven't used that broker. I just find it really helpful, but I haven't used it. Still waiting for signals, all right? It's not that this streaming is going to be over or anything. We're still waiting for signals. And yeah, if you have questions, you can put them right here. I'm actually like answering all the questions literally that come along. So that's actually awesome. Hi, Chris. How useful is the scalping strategy you sent video? Highly profitable. It's a strategy that I used for about 3 weeks last month. And in 3 weeks, I didn't lose any trade. So it's really profitable. The thing is that I don't really have that much of a time to actually be like trading every single day. I try to trade as much as I can, but I can't trade every day. But that's the reason why I shared it, because if you have time, and there's people actually trying it in the live chat in the Forex Signals room. Someone mentioned that he's using it and he's doing really good. Try it on demo first though, so you can get used to it. I wanted to ask this question. My money is stuck in binary back of an Instagram of an Insta scam. So can I use the 2-minute strategy by IQ option indicators to trade? Yes, you can. Chris, the Forex app that you just mentioned, is it to be used together with the signals room? No, it's completely different. If in case you don't have time to trade with the BLW signals room, with the trading room or something like that, then you can use the application. Created an account with IC Market, now planning to take BLW membership. It's monthly available. Bi-monthly is actually available. Is the new binary app an update to the current one or something different? It's something different. It's actually cooler because, like I said, it will give you the signals in 5-minute candles for you to enter until the next candle. So what it's going to do is that it's going to give you a signal in advance so that you don't actually miss the opportunity. You can get ready, prepare, enter the amount, wait for a better, good entry level, and then enter for 5 minutes. It's amazing. I'm really proud about that creation. How many trades you won with Sid and how many you lost? I actually lost, let me see. I lost one and let me see, 2. This one doesn't count because I actually entered on the wrong direction. So 2 trades with sit hand. 2 trades I've lost with sit hand. And it's because I closed them manually. I'm not sure if they hit the stop loss, to be honest. Okay, there's one signal over here for CHFJPY. So we're going to enter. Hold your questions because we're going to enter a trade right now. So CHF JPY, We got it right here. And we're going to see what's the signal at. SR 1130. It's a buy option. 1130. Here it's 3 pips above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new order. I can even create it like limit order, like pending order. But I think I can even enter just right now. So I'm going to enter right now for a buy, and I'm going to enter with 0.070808. All right, so it's a couple of pips above. It's actually, yeah, like 3-4 pips above. Maybe you can enter at a better level, actually. Let me see. 0.0. All right. So this is how you set up the stop loss and the take profit. Take profit 1 is at 113.20. And I'm going to place a pending order on the same pair later on just to show you how you can place a pending order. But right now, I'm going to modify this position. And I'm gonna hit the stop loss. And basically what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to get this signal over here, which is 11320. That's the take profit 1. And what I do is that I actually take a look at it and see if I'm happy with the profit that I'm gonna make with that specific trade. If I'm not, then I take a look at take profit 2. This is what I do. That doesn't mean that is what you have to do. This is what I do. The take profit 2 is 11350. That's $49. That's actually better. I like that. But then you actually check the stop loss, 11230. This is going to give you a loss of $80 if it hits the stop loss. So it's really up to you which one you want to go with, because the take profit 3 is actually going to give you, it's 11423. It's going to give you $128. So it's really up to you which one you want to go with. My recommendation all the time is to make at least 10% in profit off my actual balance. Right now my balance is $501, and I think you can't see my balance because of the image of Instagram. Let me see. Let me move it. There you go. Now you can see my balance is $501. And that's the reason why I'm going to go with this specific pair, with this specific payout. So I click on protect, and that's it. The levels are already set. This is the take profit and this is the stop loss. I can close it manually at any time. And right now, I'm going to show you how to open a limit order, which is a pending order. But I'm going to enter, of course, with less money. I'm going to enter actually with like, let's say 3, with around $9. And again, I'm actually going to get the SR and copy it on the entry price, which is this right here, right? 000. Actually, right now it's going to enter immediately because it's actually lower to that level. And I place the order, and it's a pending order. It's going to enter, it's already entered actually, but the pending order is going to enter at the same moment that you actually hit that the price actually reached to the level that you choose. That's a pending order. Maybe we're going to have another trade so that we can have a different example, because this one actually hit the SR too fast. Right now, I'm actually going to change it, and I'm going to take the profit. I'm going to hit take profit 1 on this one. The stop loss is going to be the same. It doesn't make a difference. So I set it up for take profit 1 and this one, and take profit 2 is the other one. So I entered the 2 positions. Sorry, I'm not answering the questions right now, but I needed to explain you this. And right now, I'm going to answer your questions. And of course, I'm going to show you how active the group is. People is actually over here asking questions, answering questions to each other, and so on. And in the meantime, let me go to the questions real quick. Where was it? Okay, scalping strategy, it worked on daily chart. Thank you. Chris, to set my support and resistance levels, should I combine it with the 2-minute strategy or shouldn't? Yeah, you could. It gives you better results, that's for sure. SO is very big, like 100 pips, and most take profit is 20 pips. So if it hits one stop loss, you will lose 5 trades. That's the reason why you design what take profit you want to go with. The take profit 1, it's mostly for scalping. The take profit 2 is for day traders, and the take profit 3 is mostly for swing traders. Hi Chris, I'll be purchasing the BLW started signals tomorrow. Will I get enough signals to make decent profit if I only trade binary? Yes, you will. The binary signals are over 75% all the time, so you should be profitable. We got signal from Sid. Yeah, IQ Option is a great binary option broker. Is it also a great broker for Forex trading? I don't recommend it for Forex. Let me just go ahead and open my broker. Sir, I want to be part of the Forex signals room, and I'm from Pakistan. So how much should I deposit in my bank account? As $50 are almost 9,000 rupees. Rupees? Is it rupees? I'm not sure. Is there any fees that of that transaction? You can deposit, again, with XM, $50. Bro, each and every time I want to follow deep signals, I only find 3 pairs or 4 running. I'm just wondering which broker is he using. Usually admins don't use a broker specifically, but what they use is tradingview.com. So make sure you choose a broker that fits to your needs at your certain schedule. Chris, what option you use for withdraw money from IQ Option? I used to use Skrill back in the day. Right now, I don't use IQ Option constantly. I prefer to use Pocket Option for educational purposes. But check what options you have. Sometimes you have Bankwire, so it could be good. Hi Chris, how can I get the 2-minute strategy app? The link is in the description, 2minutestrategyapp.com. You will be able to get it there. Can I use the scalping strategy on daily chart? Yes, you can, but your profits and losses will be bigger because with daily charts, you see that the candles have a lot more pips to actually do it. But yes, it is doable. I've used it and it works. You just need to, it's going to be more like swing traders. So you need to be a little bit less emotional. Can I follow your signals for Forex binary options using just my mobile? Becomes available after verifying, please. Yeah, you can join the Telegram group and follow the signals on your phone. I do recommend you to use a computer though. Hey man, I just signed up for the IQ option site, but to get binary options, how long do I have to wait till the option becomes available after verifying, please? It depends on your location. If it's not available in your location, then it's not going to be available for you. Hey, if you're enjoying this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button. We reach right now 100 viewers. We have one more dislike, probably someone who is pretending to be me on Instagram. Nah, I'm just kidding. If you don't like the streaming, don't worry. Just hit the dislike and leave. But if you're enjoying this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button. It's been 37 minutes since this streaming started. So we're gonna wait for a new signal, but I think right now I'm just gonna pause the stream and I'm gonna take a small break because I've been talking for 37 minutes and I need to rest my throat a little bit, and we're gonna wait for a new signal. I'm gonna be around and the streaming is gonna continue because I want to see how these trades actually go within the next few minutes or probably couple hours. All right. Last question I'm going to answer, and then I'm going to put in some music and leave the broker as the background. I'm thinking to borrow some $500 in a very bad financial problem. Can I know how to grow big by the end of the month? Don't do it. Don't do it. That's the first mistake people do. Ask for money to trade. If you're going to ask for money because you have financial issues, go ahead and fulfill your financial issues. But if it's for trading, don't do it. Use like $10 and start growing your account, and don't let it play with your emotions. So with that being said, I'm going to pause. Well, not going to pause. I'm just going to hide my camera a little bit. I'm going to put in some background music so that you can enjoy, looking at this. And I'm going to be here on my computer just waiting for a new signal to arrive. And then we're going to try to place it. So thank you for being here. I'm going to put in some hip hop music so that you enjoy it. And I'll be around. All right, we have a new signal from Sid Hand right now. It's actually for Forex USD. Let me show it to you. Forex Euro USD. We're gonna try to enter, create a new order, and where is it? 1.1220. 1.1220. We're gonna put a limit order on it. 220. Oh, it's a sell limit. We're gonna enter for, I think $22 is fine. Maybe it won't drop. It will. I'm gonna enter in this area, in this level, and I'm gonna choose the stop loss, which in this occasion for Sid Hand sent it as 1. I'm sorry. Yes, it will be available later on so that you can watch it. Again, I choose the take profit 1 and see where that takes me. $16. No, I want a little more. So I take profit 2. It's $47. Yeah, I can go ahead and do that. So we got 3 positions open now. 3 positions open. Well, one, it's 2 signals actually. One for Euro USD and the other one for CHF JPY. I took 2 on CHF JPY just to show you how to put a pending order in it. So right now, these are the only 2 signals that Sid Hand is going to have. I'm going to wait and see if within the next 30 minutes, pretty much, we can close a position manually and make money out of it. But if not, we're going to finish the streaming. And did anybody enter in these trades? Did anybody enter? Let me know. I don't think it's made for long term. Yes, it will be available for later viewing. Say says, so glad to be part of the BLW community. Thanks a bunch, Chris. I wish I could smash the like button more than once. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, if you haven't, make sure you smash the like button. 69 likes so far. Right now, of course, 68 people watching because a lot of people wanted to see me all the time, but I actually put in some music in order to see the signals. So yeah, let me know if someone entered in these trades so that at least I have control. I'm gonna leave the streaming for at least another 30 minutes and see what that takes us. So I'm gonna put in some music for you as well, a little bit more. All right. So look, seems like it's not going to go anywhere. None of the trades are going to go like close to their take profit or stop loss within the next few at least hours. I would say at least a couple more hours, and I can't really, uh, you know, nah, short uptrend. Yeah. Sidhan says that we should close the signal on Euro USD, which is not that bad. I mean, it probably will change in direction. I actually mentioned this on yesterday's video where I show you a strategy, a scalping strategy. Let me see if I should. Yeah, follow the instructions from Sidhan. I'm gonna keep it open, but follow the instructions from Sidhan. And right now, I'm gonna finish this streaming, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was about 1 hour and 20 minutes or something like that. He's probably gonna send more signals. If you want to follow all of these signals from Forex or binary or anything inside of the BLW trading room, remember, you can join and get your membership at blwtradingroom.com. Here's the actual homepage. You will be able to actually get 2 months for $59.99. The 6-month plan, and there's actually an offer right now in the Binary Living Way Facebook official page. You can look it up, Binary Living Way on Facebook. You're gonna find the official page. It's like 5,000 likes already, and there's an offer with 10% off that will finish on June the 30th. So I hope you guys enjoyed this streaming. I hope you guys had a good time. We learned something cool. We're gonna have more streamings just like this one, and more importantly, we're gonna have exclusive webinars in the BLW Signals group. We already had one this week, and we're gonna coordinate in order to have more eventually. So you should definitely be part of this amazing community. So thank you very much for being in this live streaming, and I'll see you next time. Smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.